literally 1 week, maybe 10 days before the convention was closed, it would have been Congress who would have chosen the President of the United States. We would have literally had congressional government. The Congress would have chosen the President. The President would have made nominations to what becomes the Supreme Court, to the national judiciary, if you will. And so, in essence, those other two branches of government would have been dependent upon Congress. The Electoral College prevented that from happening, right? The procedure was for the state legislatures to vote on, or the people of the states, as the legislatures might choose, to vote for electors. So the people would vote for the president, but the electors would elect the president. So 2 electors for your 2 senators, and then an elector for every representative that you had in Congress. Those would be the total number of electors that you would have. That was the, as I say, sort of the somewhat, some regard as kind of an artless answer to how best to choose the executive. But as I say, it rendered the president and the judiciary relatively independent, right, by virtue of that choice. So the Electoral College was the one singular, unique innovation of the entire Constitutional Convention. It is brand new, right? Nobody has ever done anything quite like that. And that kind of finishes off, I guess you might say, this system, finally, this federal system of separation of powers